The price of honesty. In a quaint French village tucked between rolling hills and a dense forest, there lived a humble baker named Julien. Known for his warm bread and even warmer smile, Julien was loved by all. But beneath his cheerful demeanor lay a man fiercely devoted to one principle: honesty, no matter the cost. One crisp morning, a wealthy merchant named Monsieur Lefebvre stopped by Julien's bakery. His reputation preceded him. Lefebvre was known for his ruthless business tactics. That day, Lefebvre handed Julien a coin for a fresh baguette. As Julien examined it, he noticed something odd. The coin was counterfeit. For a moment, Julien hesitated. He could easily accept the fake coin and avoid conflict. After all, Lefebvre was powerful and feared. But Julien's conscience wouldn't let him. He handed the coin back. "Excuse me, Monsieur Lefebvre, but this coin is not real," Julien said gently. Lefebvre's face darkened. "Are you accusing me of dishonesty?" he thundered, his voice echoing through the small bakery. The other customers froze. Some whispered among themselves, warning Julien not to anger the merchant. But Julien stood firm. "I mean no disrespect, monsieur. But I cannot accept this coin. My bakery runs on trust and fairness." Lefebvre scoffed and stormed out, vowing to ruin Julien's business. True to his word, Lefebvre began spreading rumors that Julien's bread was stale, his bakery unclean. Fewer and fewer customers visited. Days turned into weeks, and soon, Julien was struggling to keep his bakery afloat. One evening, as Julien was closing up, he found a young boy shivering by the door. The boy, Etienne, was clutching a small pouch of coins. "Monsieur Julien," he said, "my mother is ill, and we have no bread. These are all the coins I have. Will they suffice?" Julien examined the coins and realized some were counterfeit, likely unknowingly given to the boy. He looked at Etienne's hopeful eyes and felt a pang in his heart. "Keep your coins," Julien said, handing the boy a loaf of bread. "Take this to your mother. Feed her well." The boy's eyes filled with gratitude, and he ran off into the night. Unbeknownst to Julien, Etienne's mother was the widow of a nobleman who had once been wronged by Lefebvre. When she learned of Julien's kindness and Lefebvre's actions, she took the matter to the town magistrate. A week later, Lefebvre was summoned to court. The magistrate, having uncovered Lefebvre's schemes, fined him heavily and ordered him to publicly apologize to Julien. With Lefebvre's lies exposed, the villagers flocked back to Julien's bakery. Business flourished once more, and Julien's reputation as an honest and kind-hearted man spread far beyond the village. Julien often reflected on that challenging time, realizing that honesty had a price, but it was one he was always willing to pay. His integrity not only saved his bakery but also inspired a community to value truth over power. And so, Julien's story became a tale whispered in the alleys and sung in the taverns, a reminder that while honesty might cost us in the short term, its rewards are immeasurable in the end.